sure that we're grounding ourselves as we begin this practice?
Well, sounding is, part of our humanity. I mean, we were born with a voice. And the practice of sounding allows us to find our voice. I'm Pat Halper. This is Art Soul Studios in Nashville, and this is our sounding practice. I think for many of us, our voice gets shut down for a variety of reasons. And it hinders us in our lives and our ability to, step out and be who we fully are. So when we do a sounding circle, they are in this circle, this safe and secure circle, where they're sounding, but they're also being witnessed, they're also being heard. When we are doing the practice, it gives us the opportunity to not only use our voice, but to feel our voice, to feel the vibration through our body. It's a release. It might just be sound, it might turn into some sort of a song. It's different for everybody, and it gets expressed all kinds of different ways. It can be tender, it can be soft, it can be, sometimes people will get emotional. We really do ask the sounder to do is to really stay in their body and to focus on their breath. If the sound is coming through that release of my breath, then I am fully grounded. This is not just making noise, it's allowing our voice to come through us in a particular way. It's also very much about community and creating a community with the other people here that allows us to be together in a way that is different and really beautiful. It can be meditative, curative, joyful, impactful, just by allowing and listening and being willing to explore.
This NPT Arts Break is made possible by the generous support of the Martha Rivers Ingram Advised Fund of the Community Foundation of Middle Tennessee.